In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically number rows in Google Sheets. This is a great trick for those of you who are working with large datasets and want to ensure that each of your rows is numbered for easy reference. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Google Sheet. You can either create a new one or open an existing file where you'd like to apply row numbering. Once you have your Google Sheet open, locate the cell where you'd like to begin numbering your rows. To make it simple, let's start with the cell A2, although you can choose any starting point that fits your needs. Next, click on your chosen cell to select it. In this example, we'll work with cell A2. With your cell highlighted, you're ready to input a very simple formula that will do all the heavy lifting for you. The magic formula here is =, followed by the word row, an open parenthesis, and then the cell above your selected cell. In our case, you'll type in =row open parenthesis A1 close parenthesis. This formula essentially instructs Google Sheets to display the row number of the cell you've referenced, which happens to be the row number of the cell that's directly above your starting cell. Once you've entered this formula, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. What this does is confirm the formula, and Google Sheets will immediately display the number 2 in A2, corresponding to that row number. Now here's a little tip. If you need this to apply automatically to a whole column of data, you can simply click on the little blue square at the bottom right corner of your populated cell and drag it down. This action autofills the formula for as many rows as you need, giving each row its respective number without manually typing this formula into each cell. So that's it. You've used a simple formula to automatically number rows in your Google Sheet, saving you time and ensuring consistency in your data handling. This method is especially useful for lengthy spreadsheets where manual entry would be cumbersome, and it can be adapted with a bit of customization to tweak for any specific needs you might have in different projects. I hope you found this guide helpful. Now you can seamlessly add row numbers to your datasets and maintain that all-important organization. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on using Google Sheets.